Yeah.
Your attention. Yeah, you can set your attention. 80 pounds, you're pushing probably 700. Never flash with a kid. Carry on. All the way up.
I still
You miss a little bit, you're still about stretch there. You never find you need to No, we don't need it. Have a problem. Came in any bubbles, 15%. We've been told about the I've never had lock it in, run away, and just treat it as a square room.
Yeah.
That's what this is all about. Same as usually got a bubble here. Caught up. I leave that much. Oh yeah. I go one way. Normally you would stare to it.
Exactly, or get your tuck in there and all that stuff.
That's right. Slides along really easy.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about actually popping into the moldings either, I guess.
Everybody has a lot of get your side stretch. You don't even have to slide with it. I'm probably overstretching this. Some people keep more feet.
More than enough.
And that's only 90 pounds. You turn it up to 125, you just take this thing right out. You can straighten the pins like this.
Because I'm so credits and I'm like,
they're all handcrafted right now. Once we get the manufacturing, the price will go down probably by half. Because it's mostly the time it takes to build them regularly.
sure, you look at those tool too. That's what I like. Just kind of looks cool. What are the two side handles for?
Just for pushing.
Just for pushing?
Protects your gauges and stuff, and it's just for, because if you try and push here, it pivots wrong.
Okay, cool.
So it's designed for pushing right there. That way you don't have to get down and crawl. All the time you get down and crawl now, it's just come back to your down one, down. Tuck it into the one.
Did you say that you were going to have a remote control on it too?
Yeah, we have a radio. We're working on a radio control, so you don't even have lines. You just sort of line up your back of the machine, and it'll be a radio controlled system.
And will it move as well?
Yeah, the boss is working on that. He's going to put a drive system off the front, so you can it'll actually drive down the wall itself. Because with the way the tooth is, it falls smooth. That can't go the twist so far.
Guys, for 5 minutes, we're going to show all the door prizes and the